Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today we're going to be taking a look at the D major arpeggio. That's right friends, I'm going to take you through both left and right hand with correct notes and fingering and show you how to play it 1 and 2 octaves as well as how to put hands together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find this video at all helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for my channel, and don't forget to share this with your friends and family as well as subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of the future videos that I make. Okay, let's take a look at how to play the right hand. Now the notes in this particular arpeggio are D, F sharp, A, D, and back down, D, A, F sharp, D. Okay, that's what 1 octave looks like. Here's the fingering for 1 octave. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now, if we want to do this arpeggio 2 octaves, what we're going to do after we play the A, we're going to take our thumb and tuck it under and place it on the D, being careful not to pop our elbow out as we tuck under. So you want to make sure that movement of tucking under happens completely with your fingers and your hand. Then you'll move the rest of your hand into place and continue on up to the F sharp, A, D. Okay, so I'll take you through that a little smoother, like this. D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D. Finger numbers up and down are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And if you can do 2 octaves, it's just as easy to go ahead and add a 3rd or 4th octave in the same way in which we did too. You just would repeat this first pattern of tucking your thumb under however many times for however many octaves you want to play that arpeggio. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand now. Now, interestingly enough, here's a cool tip that I want to show you. Whenever you have a major arpeggio, so that means an arpeggio that's based on a major chord, your left hand is going to always use your 3rd finger if the middle note is a black key. Okay, when, for example, say if you take a look at C major or G major, we're using our 4th finger in our left hand. But if the middle note is a black key, you're always going to use your 3rd finger. So that's kind of a helpful little trick when you're learning to play arpeggios. Your right and left hand both will use 3rd finger on major arpeggios that have a black key in the middle. So that'll make more sense as you learn more of them, but just a helpful little tip to remember in the future. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand. It has the same letter names, so I'm just going to go through the finger numbers for 1 octave. That looks like this: 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. 2 octaves, we're going to have that crossover with our 3rd finger to F sharp when we get there. Looks like this: 5, 3, 2, 1. Cross your 3, 2, 1, back down the same way you came up, you just reverse order. 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb, 2, 3, 5. Play that a little smoother for you. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, let's take a look at putting hands together. Now, one of the great things about the arpeggios that have, as I mentioned, that black key in the middle of the 3 notes that we're playing, is that your left hand will use the 3rd finger. So that makes it a little bit easier because you don't have to try to manipulate one hand, you use the 4th finger and the other one using 3. Both hands are going to be using the 3rd finger. So let's put it together and you'll see what I'm talking about. So here's 1 octave. I'm going to go through the letter names. It goes like this: D, F sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, D. Let's do 2 octaves. D, F sharp, A. We're going to tuck our thumbs. Both thumbs are playing the D. D, F sharp, A, D, back down, D, A, F sharp, both thumbs on D, crossover, A, F sharp, D. Here it is a little smoother. There you go. That's how you play the D major arpeggio. I think it's one of the easier arpeggios as arpeggios go. So thanks again for watching, especially if you watched all the way through the end of the video. Again, I really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Bye-bye.